Welcome back. Time for better cooking. When you think of game day food, you of course think wings, pizza, heavy dips, soda, beer, wine. You can go on and on, but there are so many hacks to lightening things up and still enjoy the snacks we love.
That's exactly right. So today we're making creamy Mexican turkey meatballs and a Southwest chicken dip with registered dietitians Carrie Taylor and Andrea Luttrell. Welcome back, ladies. It's always great to work with you.
Thank
We're going to try and survive 4 minutes because I know you're both suffering from colds.
Yes.
You know, we have children. That's what they do to us.
Isn't that the truth? So what are we going to start with today?
So we'll start with the Southwest chicken dip, and this comes from Stonyfield, so you know it's really creamy with the yogurt and everything. So it's really just throwing everything together, mixing it up. So maybe you can lend me a hand.
All right, what do you want to start
with? We won't
with?
start with those. We'll start with the
Figured the one thing I picked. You gave me the choice. I made the wrong
We'll
one.
start with the yogurt.
How much is this? A cup or two?
And that is about a cup. And then we're going to do reduced fat cream cheese. Andrea and I were talking about it. Is it called Neufchâtel? Is it called Neufchâtel?
It sounds French either way. So we put the whole package in here.
And then you're going to do salsa with a little bit of chili powder.
What makes this healthier than your traditional one?
Well, with the yogurt, you're going to cut out a lot of fat versus using like a mayonnaise. Okay. And then you're adding some chicken too, so you're going to add some additional proteins.
Nice. That's what, about a breast or two of chicken?
2 cups.
Yeah,
2 cups. Okay.
And then adding some more plant-based protein with the black beans. Of course, it's Southwest dip, so you need to get some beans in there, some corn, and then some cheese.
Okay.
A lot of color in this.
Yes, very much so.
Great.
So you stick in the oven and
voila.
bake it, and as you can see, voila, you can top it with your scallions and additional cheese.
Now, are we dipping healthy with these pieces of pepper?
We are, because
Could we use a whole grain chip, maybe?
We could, absolutely.
We will, as we continue down the line here.
Gotcha. That is easy to do.
Yes.
Okay,
So
I'll continue mixing, and you now talk about the meatballs?
You do your stuff, sure. Okay. So, you know, a lot of people do the burgers and, you know, things like that. So these are a great alternative, the Mexican turkey meatballs.
And the finger food, which is what everyone's going for.
Yeah, so here we just have a pound of the lean ground turkey, and we're going to add 1 egg. I don't know if you want to help me too. We have some minced garlic there. So again, a lot of flavor. You know, we have the onion, breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Don't do it out of order.
Are these,
see what happened to me.
It's all
I know. Is that a certain type of breadcrumb or
just a dry plain breadcrumb? And then we have some cumin and some chili powder.
A lot of color in this.
Yeah. So this basically you just combine all of it, and then I love this like little mini scoop.
It's convenient.
That's cheating.
And then you know,
cheating.
Yeah.
You still have to roll it a little bit.
Mama never did it with a scoop. She always did it with her hands.
All of us are Italian.
These are all our style, right? But then they come out even, so you don't have like uncooked, you know, like the.
Yeah. And you want them small anyway. You don't want big, huge meatballs.
Right. Then they go too quickly.
Yeah, so what we do is we just take these and we actually roll them in some tortilla chips that have been crushed up. And so I love cooking on this wire rack because then it goes crispy all the way around.
That one's convenient because it's small.
Exactly,
yeah. Fall through.
Yep, so you just bake them in the oven, and we paired them with, it's a sour cream salsa dip, so you just combine the two.
Did you make that dip as well?
Yes, yeah.
How long do we bake them for anyway?
They go for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven.
These cooked?
And these are cooked over here, so that's the final.
I didn't want to bake. They look very similar.
Otherwise, it's beef tartare burgers or meatballs.
Which I have had, but I don't want here.
Yeah,
but the flavor,
not inadvertently.
you know, it really was like a taco. Like I felt like it was a little bite-sized taco.
Yeah, it is.
So flavorful.
That is great. And it's kind of a Southwest theme we've got going here.
Yeah.
From the chicken dip to the meatballs. And then we're going to go totally New England and just thaw out some shrimp.
You have to.
That's an easy one, isn't it?
That is
you don't got to do anything with that.
And so we have naked shrimp at Big Y, and all that's really adds a little bit of sea salt, and they come pre-cooked, and I use them in my household too. Just grab a little bit of what you want, but if you have guests over, you thaw the whole bag and just serve it with some cocktail sauce. It's easy. Simple
and good to go, and that's relatively healthy too, right?
Yeah, it's very low in fat and it's rich in protein.
And you mentioned chips. We do finally have
chips. We do have chips. Tortilla chips.
You're going to allow the chips for us?
Yes, of course.
Well, the chips on this, I have to say, make it seem like you're eating a dip, but you don't have those extra chips.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's nice.
Portion control.
Now, Andrea, you wanted to say something over here?
So we're just showing you, again, instead of sour cream, so if you do like a loaded nachos or chili, you can use this really great Greek yogurt instead. You get that calcium, the extra protein. We have a fresh salsa too, so just really easy, swaps you can do. Again, we want you to enjoy your flavorful, traditional, you know, big game party foods, but just
well, you nailed it
exactly
because these are healthy and also delicious.